If you get 10,000 taka, what will you buy? If you get 10,000 taka, what will you buy? Labib, tell me loudly.
I buy a video game.
Labib will buy a video game. Now you.
I will basically improve my house, like give some wallpapers or paint it.
Wonderful idea.
Cause like my house
Arjun will spend money for his house. Thank you. It's a nice
yeah,
initiative.
for like the paints or sometimes wallpaper.
Okay, you will decorate your house. Labib, look, Arjun wants to decorate his house. That's why he will spend his money on that project.
I will say.
Yes.
If I get 10,000 taka, I will buy so many storybooks.
Wonderful. Rabia will buy lots of storybooks. Why, Rabia?
Because especially when I was small, I don't like to read the storybooks.
I didn't.
I didn't like to read the storybooks. But now when I saw that in the storybooks we get so many fun.
Now
yeah.
you would like to buy more storybooks
Yeah.
because you find it funny.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want to do a store for storybooks.
Oh, you want to make a library?
Yeah.
Great. What about Rosa?
If I have 10,000.
If you get 10,000 taka, what will you buy?
I will buy many foods and give to the poor people and poor children.
Wow, so kind. Kind-hearted girl. Then you will
buy food.
something for the homeless
Yes.
people, right? If Rosa gets 10,000 taka, she will spend the money for the poor people. Okay, nice answer.